Welcome everyone to Clearwater Beach. This is August of 2025 and I'm here to give you guys a beach update. We came out here and did all the beaches a little while ago, but every month there's going to be different crowd levels, there's going to be different weather, there's going to be different things happening here on the beach. So I am here to give you guys a little update as to what's happening on the beaches here in Pinellas County as we continue to live, love, and play here in Paradise and Pinellas. It is a beautiful sunny day, 93 degrees currently. We are currently on North Beach, heading our way towards South Beach and Pier 60. Definitely during the week is a very less busy time here. Nice breeze today. Now August is when all the kids start to go back to school, and which means it's probably going to be even less busy on the beach now that it is school time, fall season here again. So definitely come out during the week and enjoy a less crowded day at the beach. We're definitely going to have more people towards South Beach. South Beach is way more popular than North Beach. Not exactly sure why, other than the fact that it's the closest one to the main road. And there's the beautiful Pier 60 right here on Clearwater Beach. Red flags out, which means no swimming right now. As we can see, the waves are a little choppy. A little more choppy than usual. Coming up on one of the, I guess, more famous part of Clearwater Beach are these freestyle slides and little attractions you can go on, like this bubble round thing here. We got some shark bait slides and got these giant ones here. A lot of fun for the whole family. You guys know, you know, but this many years ago used to be a ice rink. I remember when I was a kid, this used to be an ice rink here. And of course, because it was right off the beach, it was really hard to keep up and maintain, so they ended up closing it down, turning it into this pavilion here. And this place, you can actually get some souvenirs, some ice cream, some food, some drinks. Making our way onto the pier now. But as you guys can see here, the beach is drastically different from yesterday. I was out here yesterday and this whole beach was a lot fuller than it is now. So like I said, if you guys want a good day on Clearwater Beach, come during the week, because you'll have an empty beach, basically an empty beach. Hard to find on a Clearwater Beach. You definitely still have people out here. You're always going to have a few people on Clearwater Beach. But this is pretty calm compared to most, especially weekends on the beach. Coming up on the old bait house, the hooked on Pier 60 that used to go all the way out to the fishing pier on the other side. But right now they are beautifying Pier 60 on bright and beautiful Clearwater Beach for your future enjoyment. So, not open yet, so we'll keep an eye on it when they reopen. And every once in a while, we got these Black Hawk helicopters that fly right by the beach. That never gets old. I always love seeing those helicopters fly by. Sometimes you have Coast Guard, sometimes you have the Black Hawks like that. It's always cool to see these guys do flyovers over the beach. I want to show you guys the little gift shop here where you guys can get floaties, some little bodyboards. Come on in, you can see all kinds of stuff here. Got hats if you forget that. Got a lot of kid stuff in here too. Got goggles in here. Some balls you can play with. More floaties. Greetings from Pier 60 Clearwater Beach. Show you guys the food options here as well. We have french fries, cheese fries, chicken tenders, hot diggity dogs, waters, nachos, hot pretzels. Pretty much your go-to beach food here. They also have an ice cream shop here too. Show you guys what they have here. The prices as well. You guys can take a screenshot, that'll last longer. They have all kinds of different flavors here, including key lime pie ice cream. Man, they're good at that. Alright guys, as I said earlier, I am getting the double scoop of key lime pie ice cream. I love key lime pie. I am a true Floridian. Nothing like key lime pie at the beach. My favorite beach in Pinellas County. Clearwater Beach is always awesome. Such a good time out here. Great way to relax and chill out a little bit in the heat is ice cream. That was a great little break. Back on the sand now though. It's good catching up with some old friends from our festival here on the beach. Can't wait for next year in March and April to roll around so we can have another really good time here on the beach again. Mark your calendars, Sugar Sand Festival. Always a great time. But now we are going to continue our way down North Clearwater Beach and show you guys what else is going on here. All right. And all these cabanas and beds and umbrellas are all from our friends from the Chandlers. Carissa, Lisa, the whole family. They all own this stuff here. All the way down the beach. Go for a little stroll now on the beach here. Made our way to the end now. Danger, no trespassing. Hazardous area, keep off rocks. All right, we are making our way back to North Beach, Clearwater. On the way back, I want to show you guys some beautiful hotels. Coming up here to the Hiatus Hotel. One of the more brand new hotels here on the beach. Directly next door to the Hiatus is Frenchie's South Beach Cafe. This building that is no longer there used to be the McDonald's on Clearwater Beach. And right next to the old McDonald's is Krabby's Bar and Grill. Now on another ice cream shop, coffee place called Barefoot Beach House. And this one is also owned by the Sandlers. I love this photo up here. The little ice cream bench. Over here we have a giant surf style right across the beach area here. And this is the Hyatt Regency. And We the Pizza, I think, is what that's called, the little pizza restaurant attached to the hotel. Coming up now to Badfin's, which is a food and drink comfort fusion place. Here's one of our favorite murals, Clearwater Beach. You got this directional sign, you got pier access. Niagara apparently is 5,778 miles away. And then some other things, park and playground, main lifeguard station, restrooms, and etc. Coming up now to the beach lifeguard station, Tower Zero. Big shout out to our lifeguard team here. Thank y'all for keeping us safe and having a good time out here on Clearwater Beach. Show you guys the shaded playground they have here too. Now that there's no kids on it, I can show you guys a little more of what they offer here on the playground. Definitely one of the kids' favorite things to do here behind the main lawn. Coming up now on the Three Daughters Brewery, as well as the Ron John Surf Shop. And behind that is the Hooters here on Clearwater Beach. Then you got all the little shops here. Got sports cards, Atomic Tattoos, My Lady Boutique, Italian Pizzeria, Ben & Jerry's, all the good stuff here. On this side we have the Starbucks. I did not feature the main strip here on Clearwater Beach, so today I figured it would be good to show you guys the main strip with all the shops as we make our way back to the car. Got Toucan's Bar and Grill, followed by Florlina's Restaurant and the Beachcomber. Coming up now on another surf style. Got plenty of these on the beach. And I think my buddy Chris was talking about this the other day. The Boxer, yes, it is still here. Freaky Tiki Surf Shop. We got another ice cream place here. CVS is still here. Of course, our stop here could not be complete without the Hulkster. Rest in peace, brother. Coming up on Hurricane Eddie's now. Another bar and restaurant here. And of course, we have Hogan's Hangout. Hogan's Bar and Grill here. We have Sakusi, which is a sushi, dumpling, and noodle bar. Open in the evenings. Still need to try that place out for ourselves. Let you guys know what that's all about. All right, everyone, that just about does it here for Clearwater Beach update August 2025. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys next time for another beach update right here on Paradise and Pinellas.